That's the color of the mouthwash. So this is how it looks. So you just take a little after brushing your teeth in the morning. If you have mouth odor, you sip a little. Hello guys, good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for tuning in today's video. I want to show you guys how to make mouthwash with clove. So this is my clove. I want to show you how to make mouthwash at home with cloves. This is my cloves. You can get cloves in the market, in the local market, with people that are selling native stuffs. Watch me and see how I'm going to prepare this. You can use it for those that have mouth odor. You can use it to wash your mouth every morning and evening. You can use this mouthwash that I'm about to show you to get rid of mouth odor. So if you have mouth odor or body odor, this video is for you. And if you have anybody that has mouth odor, please watch this video and share it with the person, forward it and help someone. Okay, so let's get started. Now I'm going to add water and wash my clothes. So to prepare this, you need a container like this. So after washing it, I will put them in this container. Put them in this container. I put them in this container. Some people use cloves for spiritual purpose, and some people use it to treat infection. Some people use it for different things. You can use it as spices. You can use it in your zobo. Some people that make zobo drink, you can add it to your, you can use clove and add to your zobo drink. So you can use cloves for so many things. It has a very good health benefit, and you can use it to treat infection like vaginal infection. Okay, so now I will add water. So look at this. Okay guys, so I'll leave it for some days before I will filter it. So the color is going to change. It's not going to be like this after leaving it for some days. I may leave it for 2-3 days. 2-3 days. You can leave it for 1 week, okay, depending on how you want your own to. Thank you for watching. Fifth day that I soak the clove, you can see it has settled down, and look at the color of the mouthwash. So our mouthwash is ready. This is how it looks when you keep for some days. And now I will shake it like this. So this is how to use it. You just take a little, this is how it looks. So you just take a little after brushing your teeth in the morning. If you have mouth odor, you sip a little. Like that. You sip a little and then gargle very well, and you leave the water for some minutes in your mouth before you spit it out. So this is how to prepare mouthwash. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Mwah. Love you.